everyone, Namaskar. In this part, we are going to learn how to solve question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 from practice set 2.1. Question number 3. Line L is parallel to M and line N parallel to line P. Find angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B and angle C from the given measures of an angle. आता इथे आपल्याला ए बी सी फाइंड करायचं आहे आणि आपल्याला दिलेला ही लाईन याला पॅरलल, ही लाईन याला पॅरलल. तर आता आपण बघितलंच आहे इंटेरियर अँगल थिअरम, करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल थिअरम आणि अल्टरनेट अँगल थिअरम. बाय युझिंग दोज थिअरम वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन्स. नाउ हियर we will take this angle as x, right? So here angle and this as y, this as y, right? Now we have angle y is congruent to angle x. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. And we know angle y is 45 degree and therefore we can say major angle x is equal to 45 degree, right? So we get here x. Now we know that line L is parallel to M. See here, line L is parallel to line M, and if I take P as transversal, we know measure of this angle, this is x and it is 45 degree. And see here, A, x and A, these are, they form interior angles. See here, line L parallel to line M, and these are interior angles, and when lines are parallel, interior angles are supplementary. So we can say that angle x plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. These are interior angle theorem. Interior angle theorem, right? Now we know measure of x, that is 45 plus angle A is equal to 180. So we get angle A is equal to 180 minus 45, that we get here 135, right? Now we have to find B. Is there any relation between A and B? Yes. What is it? These are vertically opposite angles. So I can say angle A is congruent to angle B. These are vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically. And we know that angle A is 135. So angle B is also 135, right? Thus we get angle B. Now we have to find angle C. Now again see here, this P is parallel to N. Line P is parallel to N, and in this case we will consider this M as transversal, right? Now these two, this is B and this is C. These two are corresponding angles, and when lines are parallel, corresponding angles are congruent, and therefore measures of these two angles will be same. Here line N is parallel to line P, right? And therefore angle B is congruent to angle C, corresponding angle theorem. In each time you will write reason. In exam marks are there for reason, corresponding angle theorem. And therefore we get angle C is equal to 135. Let us solve question number 4. In the figure, sides of angle PQR and angle XYZ are parallel to each other. Prove that angle PQR congruent to angle XYZ. Phi ithe sides of angle PQR and sides of angle XYZ are parallel. What do you mean by this? Side, or you can say ray QP. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? रे QP parallel to रे YX and ray QR parallel to ray YZ. Sorry, इथे ray YX and here ray QR parallel to ray YZ. And what to prove? We have to prove angle PQR congruent to angle XYZ, right? Now, simply we cannot prove, therefore we have to make construction. What we will do? We will draw or extend this line XY. Let us extend this line XY. So line XY meets ray QR at point ray QR meet at point M. Right? Now let us start proof. See here, QP parallel to YX and YZ parallel to QR. Right? Now we know ray QP parallel to ray YX. Ray YX, this is given. Right? This is given. That means ray QP parallel to. Since X, Y, M are collinear, we can say this is parallel to ray MX because X, Y, M are collinear and therefore आता पहा ही याला पूर्ण पॅरलल आहे आणि मग हे जे दोन आहेत बघा हा अँगल आणि हा अँगल हे दोन कुठले आहेत करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल काय याचं नाव अँगल PQR कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल XMR कुठला थिअरम करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल थिअरम करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल थिअरम आपण पाहिला की वेन लाईन्स आर पॅरलल देन करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट राईट आता इथे ही याला कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे तसंच बघा रे YZ सपोज दिस इज स्टेटमेंट 1 दिस इज स्टेटमेंट 2 and let us write statement 3. We have ray YZ parallel to ray QR. We have ray QR parallel to ray YZ. This is given and therefore what we have angle. See here this angle and this angle. When these are parallel, right? These also form corresponding angle. पहा इथे YZ इथे जर मी फिगर ड्रॉ केली हा आहे YZ आणि हा आहे इकडे आपण जर बघितलं तर हा आहे QR तर आणि इकडे ही ट्रान्सव्हर्सल घेतली तर हा अँगल हे दे फॉर्म करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल आणि म्हणून अँगल XYZ congruent to angle XMR. Now see here statement 2 and 4. Statement 2 and 4. Here RHS, that is right hand side of both the statement is same, and when right hand side is same then left hand side is also same, and therefore what is left hand side? Angle PQR and angle XYZ, and therefore we can say angle PQR congruent to angle XYZ. What is reason? From statement 2 and 4. And thus it is proved. Let us solve question number 5. In the figure, line AB parallel to line CD. PQ is transversal. Measure of one of the angle is given. Hence find the measures of following angles. Angle ART, angle CTQ, angle DTQ and angle PRB. Right? Now let us find angle ART. See here. This is ART and B. What type of angle are there? These are angles in linear pair and we know angles in linear pair are supplementary, and therefore here angle ART plus angle BRT is equal to 180 degree. These are angles in linear pair, right? Now we have BRT, how much? 105 degree. So ART plus 105 is equal to 180. That is ART is equal to 180 minus 105. That is angle ART is equal to 75 degree. Now C, here we get this is 75, right? Now CTQ. Is there any relation between these two? Because the line AB parallel to line CD, and when lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent according to corresponding angle theorem. So here line AB parallel to line CD, and therefore angle ART is congruent to angle CTQ. Reason, corresponding angle theorem. Corresponding angle theorem. Angle theorem, and therefore angle CTQ. Since ART is 75, CTQ is also 75. Here we get CTQ. Now this one is first, this one is second. Now let us find third, DTQ. DTQ. Now again, these two are what? These are corresponding angles, and therefore T congruent to DTQ. Angle DTQ, and we know BRT is 105, and therefore angle DTQ is also 105. Here write reason, corresponding angles or corresponding angle theorem you can write, right? Now let us find PRB. PRB. See here ART and PRB. These are vertically opposite angles, and therefore see here fourth one, PRB congruent to angle ART. Vertically opposite angles. Each time you will write reason. Vertically opposite angles. And we have angle ART 75, and therefore PRB, angle PRB is equal to 75. This is